What if I told you that you could ignore all the complexities of Claude Code and still take full advantage of it? Let's put Claude Code on steroids with GSD. This is What Not How series, teaching you non technical people the tricks and principles needed to build high quality software like elite engineers. GSD, Get Shit Done, is a project that sits on top of Claude Code. In one sentence, you describe GSD, what you want, and it explains the how to build to Claude Code and get things built out properly. GSD takes full advantage of all features of Claude Code while hiding all complexities like context engineering, XML prompt formatting, sub-agent orchestration, and state management from you. There are other similar tools exist, but they still carry over traditional software methodologies mindset like sprint ceremonies, story points, Jira workflows, which is not needed for most software development. Honestly, they're outdated concepts in my opinion, and definitely an overkill for solo developers. You install it with a simple command npx get shit done -cc and it sit alongside with Claude Code. You can use it with other AI coding clients like Codex, etc., but I use it with Claude Code. Once installed, I start Claude Code with dangerously skip permissions flag to unlock GSD's full potential. With this flag, you give Claude Code permission to edit, add, delete, and commit code without constantly asking you for approvals. Yes, it sounds scary, but this is how you unleash the full power of Claude Code and GSD working together. I've been using dangerously skip permissions flag for a while now and I have not run into any issues. Plus, I've taught you good Git practices so you know how to recover smoothly in case something goes wrong. Any slash command that starts with GSD is a GSD command. If you already have an existing project, the first thing you do is run GSD map codebase. GSD will analyze your entire codebase and create a knowledge base for your project, which it will use as context going forward. When you're ready to create a new feature, say authentication or a dashboard, you simply run GSD new milestone. Describe what you want, and GSD will guide you through the rest of the process. GST helps you discuss, plan, execute, verify features step by step. GST will create a roadmap, plan phases, and tells you what is the next step in your milestone and what is the next command you need to run. You do not have to complete everything in one sitting. You can work on something for a while, come back later, run GST progress command, and see where you left off and continue from there. And if you're starting from scratch, you can create a brand new project with the GST new project command. Just describe what you want to build, and GST will guide you through the process. Claude Code with GST will help you cut through all the noise and lets you build what matters most: quality software.